On this Honda CR-V, P2649 points to a high-voltage fault on the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit. In plain language, the PCM may be seeing that solenoid circuit higher than expected. The vehicle may turn on a warning light, may have reduced performance, or may have limited or inconsistent VTEC-related operation. The broad possibilities can include the solenoid itself, open wiring, poor terminal fit, connector problems, a ground-side circuit concern, or PCM software or PCM-related concerns after the circuit checks pass. Before chasing the code, start with the basic system checks and follow a structured diagnostic approach. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode. Clear the DTC with the HDS, then run the VTEC test with the HDS. After that, check for pending or confirmed codes with the HDS. If P2649 comes right back, the failure is duplicated and you move into circuit testing. If P2649 does not return, treat it as an intermittent condition. At that point, the system is okay at this time. So look closely for poor connections or loose terminals at the rocker arm oil control solenoid and at the PCM. If captured fault data is available, try to reproduce those captured conditions instead of guessing. Next, turn the vehicle to the OFF, lock mode, and disconnect the rocker arm oil control solenoid 2P connector. Measure resistance on the solenoid side between connector terminal No. 1 and connector terminal No. 2. At room temperature, the solenoid should measure 1430 ohms. If the resistance is in that range, continue to the PG line check. If it is not in that range, replace the rocker arm oil control valve, also called the rocker arm oil control solenoid. With the vehicle still OFF and the solenoid connector still disconnected, check continuity between rocker arm oil control solenoid connector terminal No. 2 and body ground. If there is continuity, the PG line is okay and you continue to the VTS line check. If there is no continuity, repair the open in the PG wire between the rocker arm oil control solenoid and G101. For the VTS line, jump the SCS line with the HDS and wait more than 1 minute. Then disconnect PCM connector B, the 51P connector. Check continuity between rocker arm oil control solenoid connector terminal No. 1 and PCM connector B terminal No. 18. If there is no continuity, repair the open in the VTS wire between PCM B18 and the rocker arm oil control solenoid. If there is continuity, the VTS wire is okay. At that point, update the PCM if it does not have the latest software, or substitute a known good PCM and recheck. If P2649 goes away after the PCM was updated, troubleshooting is complete. If P2649 goes away with the known good PCM substituted, replace the original PCM. The key is to keep the order clean. Duplicate P2649, prove the solenoid resistance, prove the ground side, prove the VTS wire, and only then move into PCM software or PCM substitution. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.